Pozdrav ljudi, Dime ovdje i ljudi, danas ćemo igrati po prvi put na ovom kanalu FIFA 15. To jest PES 2016, izvinjavam se, tu je bila mala greška. I ajmo da vidimo kako će nam to ići. Po prvi put. I ajmo. Ekran. Balotelli. I nastavljamo da vidimo. Ne! Dobro je. To. Dobro je, uhvatio je. Rani. I ajmo. Op. Ajde, dodaj. Dodaj dvije. Šta je tebi? Van Persie. Johnson, Balotelli. Jones. I 1-0 je za protivnički tim, što već po nas nije dobro. I nastavljamo dalje, tek je prvo poluvrijeme, a ovaj njihov golman je tek odmah je znači uhvatio loptu, njihov golman, da vidimo, ne u publiku da se šuta lopta, da ste vi to vidjeli. Op. Nek neko od mojih igrača. Ne. 2-0 za protivnički tim. To neće tek tako moći. Dobro je. Nije 2-0. Ok. Ima još nade za nas. Ima nade. Op. Ajde nek neko od mojih dago. Ajde ti. Ajde. Rani. Balotelli. Mario Balotelli. Sada. Dobro je. Nastavljamo dalje. Tek je prvo poluvrijeme, a Manchester United je imao tek 2 šuta na golu, a protivnički tim je imao 3 šuta na golu. To se mora popraviti u drugom poluvremenu. Šta se ovo dogodilo? Merseyside Red 2-0 protiv Manchester Uniteda. To se ne može dopustiti tek tako. Dobro. Ovo neće moći tek tako lako da prođe. Ops. Dobro je. Ajde, taktika. Ej, kud ste vi krenuli? Neće dati od 2-0. Ne. Sad je šutnuo u publiku. Pa to je nekako neizdrživo. Tu mora da neko. Ne. Dobro je. Vi. Mario Balotelli. De Gea. Mario Balotelli šuta sa brojem 45. A ovi moji igrači imaju i dve desne noge. Njima svako može da otme loptu. Ajde, ajde. Ne. No. Ovi se samo sapliću o travu. Čekaj. Dobro je to. To. Ne, opet u publiku. Dok ja tu snađim, pošto je ovo prvi put da igram PES. I odavno ga nisam igrao. To jest, ovo je prvi put da odigram neku utakmicu. Jaoj. Manchester United mora bolje. Dobro, ajde. Ne! Okej. Mora se tu malo bolje skoncentrisati. I mora se tu nešto malo bolje učiniti. Jer u sljedećem putu to tek tako neće moći da prođe kod nas, barem. Ne to. Nije valjda 3-0. Dobre. 2-0. Ajmo. Op. Aha. To. Uzmite im loptu panderi jedni. To. Balotelli. Hajde. Nek neko od mojih. Umalo. Ajmo. 2-0. I evo nastavljamo dalje sa utakmicom. Pa sad ste se našli vratiti u formu i već drugo poluvrijeme. Kako da vrati nazad. To ne možete.
Glenn Johnson.
Ne.
Ball threaded through.
Ne.
He's onside. Strikes it. That could have been really special.
Almost looked like the perfect marriage, the way the long pass was delivered so exactly into the runner's path, and it's a shame it led to nothing.
And he gets it away. Gerrard, the flag stays down. He's pretty grateful to get that clear. It's Balotelli. Sturridge. Lovely ball through. It's opened up nicely for him. Unlucky. And the cross dealt with.
Kakva šansa je bila, umalo.
Glenn Johnson.
Ajmo.
Kolo Toure.
To. Mada je bio koji.
Here's Balotelli.
Tako jako.
Sterling. He makes his way towards the penalty area. Balotelli. But to call that wayward would be being kind.
He was right in front of goal and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
To. Ali Di Maria uhvatio. Lopta je presvetio pa ljudi moji
It was well positioned, good defending there. Balotelli. Sterling. Sturridge. surely a
jest
goal.
mamy szansę, prawda?
That was a super ball in, but no success.
Okej.
I think there's always that danger that the defence can get exploited in that way. That must have served as a real wake-up call to them.
He wasn't far from finding the net again.
He's just a nightmare for any defence. His movement, his
Opet
pace,
zamiast
his
tego
anticipation,
bólu.
it's on another level. It's
Manchester
so hard for
United.
any defence to contain that.
To nie. Znowu. Hop.
So here comes the corner.
Nie.
And he'll shoot.
To. Nie. Oj.
He had the range, but not the accuracy.
Well, there's certainly no harm in trying from that distance. He's cocky enough to have a go, but you have to be so accurate from there.
Manchester United game trzeci.
A much-needed intervention that was too. Van Persie.
Oni body od nas. Strasznie oni body od nas.
Glenn Johnson. Gerrard. Manchester United yet to make a substitution here.
No dobry.
Philippe Coutinho. Glenn Johnson. Kolo Touré.
Manchester United.
Sturridge. Sterling. Sturridge. Here's Balotelli.
Jeszcze wi. Pomyśl.
Valencia.
Jeszcze wi. Myśli. Dacie to pieniądze.
He'll be penalised for that.
Nie?
And that will see him go into the referee's notebook. And that, I believe, is the first time we've seen a yellow card. Yes, it is.
Oj. O faul.
Here's Sturridge. Shoots here. They really should have made it 3-0 there.
And if they don't get the job done from here, he'll look back on that moment and know he should have made it a 3-goal cushion. Should have finished things off.
He was close to adding to his tally there.
Well, he's certainly a player I'd be more than happy to watch. Tactically, he's almost impossible to stop.
Glenn Johnson. Philippe Coutinho. Oh, he's lost it.
Philippe
Coutinho. Glenn Johnson. Chance. Oh, yet another goal. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. Find some words to do justice to that goal.
Well, he's got the result there, but you really have to question that defence, or lack of it.
We resume again, the score is 3-0. The clock counting down. Philippe Coutinho. It's Balotelli. Sends the ball over the defence. Goal! They really have taken them apart now. So fiercely was that hit, it nearly removed the net from its rigging.
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out.
the near
He'll be
side.
taking the match ball home.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display. What a player.
They have this game in their hands now.
Ovi njihovi igrači imaju baš super lopte, to jest super
Will be
igrači.
4 more minutes.
Tako da tu ćemo morati malo da poboljšamo u sljedećoj utakmici.
He's not taking any risks there.
It'll
be a throw-in.
4 minuta. Nećemo, ne možemo mi da stignemo. Ne možemo da stignemo. Damo gol od ovih igrača ovdje. Jao je. Znači ne možemo dati gol od njih. Dobre. Ajde. Ajde. Moraš ti to. Moraš ti to još malo.